After 17 years in HVAC and a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator, I've learned the name on the front of the unit doesn't tell the whole story. When you are shopping for a mini split, you are usually choosing between a value-driven workhorse and a global name brand. Today, we are tearing down the ACiQ Standard Series and the Hitachi airHome 400. One claims to be the smart budget play, while the other leans on Japanese engineering heritage. Let us start with the build, since these two come from different worlds. The ACiQ is manufactured in China and uses a variable speed compressor and a gold-coated coil to resist corrosion. Hitachi brings the airHome 400 out of facilities in India with a variable speed compressor and a coated coil for longevity. Both brands have moved away from old two-speed technology and now use full inverter variable compressors. On efficiency, the ACiQ Standard Series pulls a 20.5 SEER rating. Hitachi airHome 400 comes in slightly lower at 19 SEER. That 1.5 point difference means ACiQ will be slightly cheaper to run over a long summer. After averaging current market data, the ACiQ Standard Series is averaging around $925. Hitachi is positioned higher with the airHome 400 averaging around $1,316. You are looking at nearly a $400 premium for the Hitachi name on the wall. Warranty is where a brand shows its hand, and Hitachi offers a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. ACiQ steps it up with a 12-year compressor warranty while offering 7 years on parts. Neither base tier model includes a unit replacement guarantee, so coil leaks on day 2 will be a repair, not a new condenser. Both units include modern essentials like voice control and auto cleaning functions. ACiQ uses a high density filter, while Hitachi opts for a PM 2.5 filter for finer particulates. If you have heavy allergies, the Hitachi filter is a nice touch, but for pure cooling power, the specs are neck and neck. The biggest killer of inverter systems is restricted airflow from dirty filters. If you let indoor filters get caked with dust, the evaporator coil temperature drops and the unit can ice up. Set a reminder to wash those mesh filters every 30 days. It takes 5 minutes and can save a $300 service call. So who wins? When we look at performance versus price versus protection, the winner is the ACiQ Standard Series. ACiQ gives a higher SEER for significantly less money and a longer compressor warranty. While Hitachi has a great engineering reputation, its 19 SEER does not justify the $400 price jump for cooling dollars per pound. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool at HVAC for Beginners to compare all of the brands.